Kasor Kapatisi TV. Ka Sarkar ha Rajasthan minta kadang tokit banya ya ka company ka basna ya ka dawai jarho dextromethorphan hydrobromide ka baki laingut ki khana kila yam hadin bakila di ya kani ka dawai ka Sarkar kal hukum badai ban tokin lut ya baro ki jaj dawai basna da kani ka company Kayson Pharma ka company ka baju supply dawai Sikh hospital Sarkar ha Rajasthan kani kadai ka company ka bala don ki steng house nam arjar apulai namar baki dawai bala penmi kim dai ki babiang bad minta ki dang tokit banya kumnu ki yo biang ya ka kontrak kumban supan kan mau ba laingut ki khana kila yap bat bongut kila kempang hadien bakila di ya kadawai jarho dextromethorphan hydrobromide kabala penmi da ka company Kayson Pharma ya kabala sam Sikh hospital Sarkar.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.